This is step-by-step export process. Now, what this program is helping you to achieve is number 2. Are we together, please? Are we together? And it's important you understand what it's going to achieve number 2. Now, many people always think that number 2 is the major challenge. But immediately you fix number 2, you now realize a lot of other issues you need to deal with. Do we understand, please? What's number 2? Promotion. And that's what's supposed to give you market access. So if you look at this, it starts with preparation. So my focus is supposed to be on preparation, which is very for promotion. What we are doing tomorrow, we talk about my focus with preparation, production, packaging, and labeling. What we are discussing tomorrow, we have to do with pre-export documentation, port clearance and inspection, post-export documentation, port-to-port shipment. And then the remaining part, plus this, is going to be handled by the partners being worked with in this project. I'm trying to paint a picture for you so you understand where the program comes and the reason why this is necessary is because number 2 is deemed to be one of the most challenging parts. Even though I hold a different view, and I hold a different view is that when you now fix number 2, you now realize that in the real sense of the word, number 2 is not the most difficult. Only that when you are starting, that's one of the first things you have to deal with. But immediately you fix it, you now realize that so many other things you need to know afterwards. Okay, thank you. There are so many other things you need to know afterwards that if you don't know, even though number 2 has been fixed, we are still not making progress, which is why number 1 is now very important. So, export start with preparation. Preparation is so important. If you don't prepare adequately, it then becomes difficult for you to make desired progress. When you prepare adequately, you know what to do to promote. But luckily, this program already is helping with promotion and market access. And that assumes also that this program is helping with promotion and getting purchase order, because the goal of promotion is to be able to get the purchase order. Now, one of the things I'll be talking about in the course of this conversation is procurement or production. For some of us, how many of us are manufacturers of the product you brought here? All of us brought the product, right? Okay, how many of us are the producer? Okay, how many of us we are not producing for you? Okay, a few of us, okay. Either someone is producing for you as a producer, it doesn't matter. What is important is that you have the product. But if someone is producing for you, what that means is that you need to be able to know exactly what the supplier is doing for you in terms of the quality of the product, the packaging of the product, and other important information about your product. Then preparation, promotion, purchase order, procurement and production, packaging and labeling. I'll be talking a lot about this, packaging and labeling. Particularly, this program involves food, it involves cosmetics, it involves fashion and garment. But the issue of packaging and labeling has more to do with food. Others need to be packaged and labeled very good, but the challenge for product is, and the food is that people are going to eat it, right? So any error could be very, very dangerous and be destructive to whoever is eating it. So, and then packaging and labeling. So my job will head here, and tomorrow, like I said, after you have done this, you do pre-export documentation. After the pre-export documentation, you do port clearance and inspection here at the origin in Nigeria. Then post-export documentation is done after shipment. Then the logistic port-to-port shipment. Then presentation of document, port clearance and inspection. And lastly, payment.